Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Todd. So today we're going to be cooking a spicy shrimp dish that will be served over pasta. So let's get our ingredients together. Alright, so we are going to need some shrimp, some olive oil, onions, butter, garlic, chicken broth, tomato paste, fire roasted tomatoes, soy sauce, hot sauce, oregano, basil, mustard powder, red pepper flakes, and pepper. All right, so we have about 4 tablespoons of olive oil heating up on a medium-high heat. And to this, we are going to add in our shrimp. And we're going to give them a good stir. And we're going to want to cook these about 2 to 3 minutes till they're nice and pink. Now be careful, we do not want to overcook these because they will continue to cook once you pull them from the heat, and then also once we start building our sauce. Alright, these have been going a good 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to remove these from the pan and set them to the side. Come on. Almost there. There we go. Alright, to our pan we're going to add in roughly 6 tablespoons of butter. Turn this down just a little bit. And then 2 medium onions. And we are going to cook these for about 10 minutes till they start becoming transparent. Alright, so these have been going about 10 minutes. So we're going to add in our minced garlic and roughly 1.5 cups of chicken broth. And we're going to give this a stir. And then we're going to let this cook down and reduce some till we get to the thickness we like, which will be roughly about 10 minutes or so. Alright, so this has been going about 10 minutes. So to this we are going to add in our tomato paste. Come on. And we're going to add in our remaining chicken broth. And we're going to stir this to get it all combined. Alright. We're going to add in our hot sauce, our soy sauce, then we're going to add in our fire roasted tomatoes, stir, then we are going to add in our pepper. red pepper flakes, our mustard, dried mustard, our basil and oregano, get this all mixed up. There we go. And we're going to let this cook for 15 minutes. All right, so this has been going for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to add our shrimp back in. I'm going to give that a quick stir, get everything all mixed in. And we're going to turn this down a little bit and let this cook for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to get all plated up for lunch. All right, so we've got everything set up and ready. So we're going to get us a little bit of pasta. Set that up right here. Pull that in. Alright, and we're going to add us a little bit of Parmesan, and we are going to call this lunch. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And till next time, enjoy.